Hi, this is a quick video to let you know that the Scrum guide from time to time does actually get updated. In fact, it got updated in 2020 from the previous Scrum guide, which was the 2017 version. And this is the first time in a while that it's actually had quite a substantial change to it. So if you come into this course from now, don't worry, everything's updated and for the 2020 Scrum guide. However, if you have been aware of Scrum since prior to 2020, you might see that there's been some changes. Some of the changes that they've made and the reason for changing it really seems like they wanted to make it more inclusive to other industries. Previously, as you know from this course, the roots of Scrum was in software development. So they've actually tried to change some of the terminology and complexity around the Scrum framework to make it more appropriate and adaptable to other industries. So before, we had the product owner and the Scrum Master and then the development team, and it kind of felt like the Scrum Master and the product owner were the managers of the development team, which is a sub-team, which really isn't the case, and I think that terminology didn't help. So what they've done is they've just changed the development team to the developers just to reinforce the fact that the developers and the Scrum Master and product owner are all part of one team and there aren't hierarchies there. Another addition that they've added is the accountabilities. Now, obviously, we've got accountabilities to the product owner, Scrum Master, and the developers, but we also have accountabilities now to the product goal, the sprint goal, and the increment. And the product goal itself is a new addition. That's obviously the long-term goal for the product. So those are just some of the changes. If you want to see exactly how much has changed, I've provided a cross-comparison document, which you can find in the resources section of this lecture. Just download it and you'll see the original 2017 version and the 2020 version cross-compared. And what you might notice is that the 2020 version actually has a lot less text. It's got a lot less information in it, basically. So it seems like they've reduced a lot and omitted a lot. And for that reason, when I've gone through this course and I've updated it, I've actually decided to keep some of the 2017 information in it because I thought the information was really good and it gives context around what they're describing in the Scrum guide, but it also gives you an idea of its background and its history. But I don't want any confusion, so when I have mentioned the 2017 information, I have said in this course that it comes from the 2017 Scrum Guide, and this is what the 2020 Scrum Guide says, just so that there isn't any confusion there. But like I say, I wanted to keep some of that information in because I thought it was really helpful and really useful, and it'll give you some of the context around Scrum as well. So with that said, good luck and enjoy the rest of the course.